festivals who really play. Siguro we always try to humble each other and mas nag-isang ko po during hard times.
Such a great answer, Josh. Thank you for that. An amazing answer. Now we have to move on to our next social media partner. Fabanico, what's your question? My question is, if you could get in one new song just for eating, what would the title be?
Maybe Kahayaan. Or even Music Kingdom. I think it will talk about the community that was built by UC, with all the good things that they do, helping people, achieving the goals and the yeah.
So guys, pakishare na tong live na to. Ito na yung bagong live nga yan. Pakishare nga yan. Ay, pakishare naman guys yung live, pakishare.
Thank you, Ken, for answering that question. I am very sure that all of our 18 fans feel that love. Now, moving on to our next social media partner. Give it up for Hazel and Tar and her question.
Asya pala yun?
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Dora Tar. Here's my question. What's the first thing that came to your mind when you heard you'd be performing here in Doha, Qatar?
Siyempre mo masaya. Katulad po ng promise namin na katulad pa kami. I-promise kami na mag-visit sa countries and people na alam namin isang araw, this is our first time here. So, very excited kami to be
Thank you so much, Pablo. I believe you can even say boys. Pinakapinagawa ng 18 to 4. Alright, we got our event representative right here from Sino Digital Media, Ms. Kai.
Marhaba, Mas Kalima, welcome to Qatar. Hello. Hi, I'm Kai. I'm from Sino Digital Media. Salamat sa pagpunta niyo sa amin dito sa Qatar. Alam namin marami na kayo napuntahan and you are here with us. So thank you very much. Okay, ang tanong ko is straight from Manila na pinapatanong ng sister. Pero mahal na mahal kayo. From all of your singles, mula Pilaluha hanggang Umaaligid, ano ang pinaka-theme song niyo ngayon na lahat ng concerts niyo are sold out? Wala pa isip siya. No, Russia, can you think of it?
Siguro po, SLFT. And sa lahat po siya na nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga tao. Siyempre po, maraming masalamat po. Maraming masalamat po. Sir, kung sinagpapagpagpag sa amin. Kasi po namin dito, lahat po. Kasi nag-iis na po po na talagang sinusuot.
Guys, pakishare naman yung live, oh. Share lang, share. Share lang, share. Pakishare.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, SB19, as well as our social media partners. And thank you, 18, so wala mo pa na pagbiya.
We're going to say this is a time for SB19 to give their message to our friends.
Everyone is going to buy their tickets.
Maybe a last message from you guys. All right.
Salamat for supporting us, for always cheering for us and music for music. We love you guys. Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you tomorrow at Wednesday sa Qatar National Convention Center. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakabili ng tickets, you can still buy tickets. Yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Maraming salamat po.